Year 11, I'm just going to go over some of the questions from exercise 8.6. I'm going to start with question 7. I'm not going to do questions 4, 5 and 6, which are just finding the equation of tangents and normals. I'm going to have a go at some of the more difficult ones. So I'm going to pick up here from question 7. And in question 7, they give us the equation of the function, which is y equals x cubed minus 27x minus 5. And they want us to find when dy dx equals 0. Now remember, when we find dy dx, we are finding the equation of the tangent of the gradient at any point on the curve. So remember, what do? We take the power, the index, and we bring it out front, and we multiply, and we take 1 away. And we do the same here. Oops, remembering that will become x to the 0, so just a constant. And what we want to do is we want to find out when dy dx equals 0. So we'll just put this, the gradient function, 3x squared minus 27 equal to 0. We'll take the 27 over the other side, we'll divide by 3, and we'll get x squared equals 9, and we'll get x equals plus or minus 3. It wants us to find, well, that's it. I thought it might want us to find the y values, but that's all we need to do. And the gradient of the tangent at x equals 3 and x equals negative 3 will be 0. Let's have a look at the next one, 9. We've got a function, f of x. Get used to the different types of terminology. Equals x squared plus 4x minus 12. It has a tangent with a gradient of negative 6 at the point P. Find the coordinates of the point P. All right, well, first thing we'll do is we'll find the derivative, and then it'll give us 2x plus 4. Now, at the point P, which we don't know, but we do know that the gradient is negative 6. So f dash of x equals negative 6. Well, let's put that in and find out what we'll get. And we'll get 2x plus 4 equals 6, minus 10 equals 2x, minus 5 equals x. We need to find the point, or the coordinates. We've got the x value. Let's find the y value. So we'll sub it in. F of minus 5. When x is minus 5, we get negative 5 squared plus 4 times negative 5 minus 12. I haven't got my calculator ready, but I know that's 25. Minus 20 minus 12. I'll get 5 minus 12, I think I'll get negative 7. So I'm pretty sure, I'm waiting for the answers to come up on my other computer, but it hasn't come up yet. Coordinates of P are negative 5 and negative 7. I'm going to stop there, check my answers, make sure I'm right, and then I'll come back and do some more.